We made it! It's 2024. Can you believe it? It's amazing. So I hope that you are doing well, and I hope that one of your goals is to take better care of yourself and to continue to grow in self-love and enjoying your life, and also being empowered in who you are. So if you need some tools, some resources to help guide you on your healing journey, I would like to invite you to a workshop on January 20th or January 27th, and I am going to give you some tools for self-care and stress reduction. We're going to use techniques from manual lymphatic drainage. We'll use some techniques from gentle yoga, and also some guided meditation. I am so excited to share all of this information with you and to empower you in being the best version of yourself. I'll see you then.